Good evening. This is Pradeep from Trading Clan. Happy to see you all in this video. In this video, we are going to see the predictions for coming Thursday. Thursday is expiry day, so be careful with your trades. Before going to the video, if you are not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe. Please click the bell icon for further notification. Please do like and post your views on the comment section so that I can improve. So today we are going to see the Nifty and Bank Nifty predictions. Let us open the Bank Nifty predictions first. So tomorrow is expiry day, so always be careful with your trades. So let us open Bank Nifty in our trading view window with the 45 minutes time frame chart. So already we have made some support and resistance earlier itself. So we will redefine the support and resistance. Now we will change the support 2 was, now it will act as a resistance 1. So we will change this one to resistance, and the support 1 was will be the resistance 2. That also we will update now, because market already crossed these supports, and this will become act as a resistance in the upcoming days. So this is support resistance 2. Similar way we can make that resistance 1 also as a resistance 3. The resistance 4 we can leave it off as of now, it's not required. So now we will be having 3 resistance line as well as 1 support line. So I am expecting the market most probably it will go in upside only. So we will take up the trades based on the direction of the move. So this is our trading setup we was made in our trading view. So tomorrow there is some possible ways in upside. So now I am going to mark that buying side plus points and all we can go in mark here. So look at the first candle. The first candle having some tails has formed here. That is one plus advantages for us, as well as and we can see some buying pressure candles. I am going to encircle the buying pressure candles now. So this is a buying power candles, and buying pressure candles. It's a buying power candles. So this is visible here. This is very good sign for buyers already participated in the market. So this point is plus point for the buyers. I am looking for buying pressure came in. I thought that the buying pressure is already there in the market, so we can. It's not a buying pressure. It's buying power candles. So we can change into buying power candles. So buying pressure means we can have some tails is called buying pressure. So that time buyers starts occupying the market, that is buying pressure side. So now buyers are very strong, so they are showing their powers. So look at this second area, the second arrow which I have marked here. This is buying pressure candle. So the pressure is whenever the buyers starts occupying, no, that is called buying pressure. So we can call it as the term central we can define. So I have defined like this. I feel this is a buying pressure. So after the big selling candle, we can see some buyers came into the market. That is the indication of this tail, long tail. So afterwards we can see the buying power candles also. So actively buyers are participating in the market, but only the thing is the market is at resistance 1. So we need to have a look on tomorrow. If it breaks up, then we can have in buying trades. If it's not breaks, we can have a selling trades. So tomorrow is expiry day trade, we have to be very careful also. So now I am going to mark the selling side targets. If the market not possible to breaks our resistance 1, then it will go in the downside and it will hit our support 4. So that is our expectation first. That target we can keep it as 34,300 for selling side targets. The market can go in the downside and it will hit 34,300 is possible. Only the thing is it's not if it is not break our resistance. In case if the market goes above the resistance line, it's break the resistance line, then we can have a target of buying side target. It will go and reach the resistance 2. So we can this is in buying side target is also is there, then we can have a buying target also. So that target also we can define now. So I am expecting if the market breaks our first resistance, then we can have a target of 34,900 is the buying side target. Around 400 to 500 points we are possible to get it by tomorrow. So this is the targets for selling side as well as for buying side. So This was I am expecting for Bank Nifty. Let's see what will happen in the real time market. Based on the direction of the flow, we can decide and we can take up our trades. These details will be updated in our WhatsApp group. So this line we can make it as a green because that is a buying target. So this is our predictions for Bank Nifty. Friends, always be careful with our trades because tomorrow is the Thursday trade, so expiry day. So all our money will go away. So we have to be very careful with our trades. See the world market and you can take up our trades. So now we will move to the Nifty predictions. Let us open the Nifty in our trading view window with the 45 minutes time frame chart. Normally we will prefer 45 minutes will give more accuracy. So we can open the Nifty in 45 minutes time frame chart. So whatever we have made the support and resistance, I feel the same thing we can keep it off because market already in the mid side support line. Sorry, that support we have to change into resistance. So I am expecting we not need to do any more setup change. So we can have the same setup and slightly we can change our support and resistance lines and all. I feel this support will act as a resistance now. This support line 1 will be act as a resistance line. We can see. Look at this encircled area. We can see very good buying power candle has formed here in this candle in this area. So there is a high possible for breakout the levels and it will go on upside and it can possibly hit the target. But if the market is not doing its power, it can come down and it can hit the target of 15,600 is possible. Now we will change this support line to resistance line because market already crossed this support line. So this will be acting as a resistance. So we can change into resistance 1 and we can change the color of the resistance also. Earlier it was a support, now it's a resistance. So I feel that if the market breaks this resistance one, there is a possible for hit 15,830 to the resistance to market can reach. This was my expectation in the upside. So in the downside, I am expecting if the market not breaks the resistance one, it can go down and it can hit the target of 15,600 is possible. Anyway, tomorrow is a very danger trade. Always be careful with the trades. This is my expectation for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now we are concluding our predictions for Bank Nifty. It's can possible to go in either side. For upside, 34,900 is possible. Sorry, 34,900 is possible. For downside, 34,300 is possible. Whereas for Nifty, the upside target is 15,830 is possible and downside target is 15,600 is possible. So this is our conclusion. Let we see on Thursday. Thanks for watching the video. If the videos are useful, please do like, share and subscribe. Please click the bell icon for further notification. Thank you and grow with us.